Angel Thunder is a Air Combat Command and joint sponsored personnel recovery exercise that covers the full spectrum of personnel recovery operations. We execute it every year here at Davis-Monthan specifically to support combat air forces in their rescue mission and to also support our joint warfighters and interagency and international partners. What we provide here is a near as possible environment for them to execute their wartime and also peacetime missions in the joint and interagency environment. So this exercise creates a personnel recovery environment unlike any other. This year we have approximately 1,300 participants, the majority of whom are active duty Air Force. However, we have joint participants from across the spectrum, Navy, Marine, Army, and also Special Operations Forces. We have international partners. There are at least 6 nations represented here this year, and we have the interagency, a number of organizations from across the spectrum of governmental support in the United States and also non-governmental organizations. Personnel recovery is very much a joint and collaborative operation because the amount and scope of assets involved. So we find ourselves oftentimes when we're operating in one of the combatant commands interacting with other agencies from the United States and our international partners. So what we're doing here is building relationships, we're learning standard operating procedures, and we're building tactics, techniques, and procedures that allow for that integration to occur without necessarily incurring the cost of the learning process in theater. All these things that we do here will pay dividends down the road when we're out actually executing operations internationally. Primarily, personnel recovery is a combat air forces and joint tactical problem. So this exercise allows us in the Air Force and our joint partners to solve a bigger problem in an exercise designed specifically to do that. We hope to continue it year after year and continue to grow it to the world's best personnel recovery exercise. And we appreciate all our partners and additional players who have come in to make it a success this year in 2014.